And just like that, summer and the midnight sun in Lofoten are over. That golden hour that lasted all night, now it already feels like something from the past. The days are getting shorter, the air is getting sharper, and in just a few weeks we will be stepping into the polar night, my absolute favorite period in the Arctic. There is something magical about this transition. As the light fades, life here slows down, becomes cozier, more intimate. It's the time of the year when I spend more time in the kitchen, cooking warm, comforting Norwegian dishes that I have learned over my 5 years of living in these islands. Wow! So today we woke up with this weather. It has been like this entire day, quite moody. It's 3 o'clock, it's already dark outside, but look, it's so cozy inside, looks amazing. We have already the blue hour. In 1 month, we're gonna have the polar night. I'm so much looking forward because it's amazing. Today we're gonna prepare the typical bacalao or fishsoup. I have been living here in the Lofoten Islands for the last 5 years, and in that time I have been lucky enough to experience what real Lofoten life actually looks like. From going out on the water with local fishermen to cooking this authentic Norwegian fish soup on countless cold evenings. This place has taught me so much about food, tradition and simplicity. I'm genuinely passionate about cooking. I love it. And one of the dishes I have fallen in love with here is the cozy, creamy fish soup that Norwegians have been making for generations. So today, I'm finally showing you how I cook it, the Lofoten way. This is a Norwegian dish typical from Lofoten Islands. It's made with potatoes, carrot. Usually they prepare it with cod fish. I love to make it with trout because it's very delicious. You just need few ingredients to prepare it. You will not make dirty the entire kitchen preparing it. And the best thing is delicious, full of nutrients, and especially for winter. So let's go to the recipe. Olive oil goes in, a very good one from Italy. And then we will start slicing some onions that I have them here. So we're gonna slice onions, carrots and potatoes. 2 cloves of garlic, I love it and I think it goes so well, especially with the onions, the pepper, I love it. So we will put only 2 for 2 people. So we have olive oil, garlic goes in, no peppers, only garlic, there we go. Onions goes in. So we cook everything until it gets a bit golden brown. Spices, salt, pepper, oregano. Oregano in Norway is not so tasty as in Italy, but we managed to get one that at least smells really nice. So oregano will give to this fishsoup a nice aroma and flavor. So we mix everything like this. So nice. If you have some chili peppers, just add it. It will be amazing. Red peppers goes in. And we continue cooking until everything is cooked and well mixed. In the meantime, we are cutting some carrots.
Grazie.
Prego. Spoiling the cameraman. Carrots goes in. While the carrots, onion, peppers and everything is cooking there, I'm here slicing some potatoes, like this. Once we have the potatoes goes in. In the meantime, I have the dough because I made homemade bread. I love to make bread. So I have here the dough, let's put it in the oven. I made a very small bread, so let's cook this beautiful homemade bread. So now I'm cutting here some trout. You can use the fish you want. Actually, the traditional recipe goes with the salmon and with cod. It's the typical fish from Lofoten, the clip fish, which is cod. But actually, I really like this, only with trout and some shrimps. But you can mix even 2 different kinds of fish. Use the ones you like just let your creativity fly and find the fish you want and just cut it in pieces And then look, I made like a kind of cubes. I have these beautiful shrimps from Argentina. I love it like this. The fish goes in and we cover for some minutes until the fish is cooked. It will not take that long, at least like 5-7 minutes until everything is cooked and all the flavors are combined. We add some black olives because I love them. This smells so nice, ready. My Italian boyfriend gonna be super happy. Wow, smells so nice. So at this point, when we see that the fish is already cooked, we will add some tomato puree. And if you have some sort of fish broth or any kind of broth you have, you can add it to give more flavor, or you can also use a little bit of water. So you mix everything. It smells already so nice. Now you let it sit for at least 15 minutes to get all the flavors well nice and together. The potatoes are almost cooked and also the carrots. So when they are tender, that means that the fish soup is ready. The bread is amazing. I slice it. Now I'm putting some olive oil and I put it again in the oven to have it crunchy and to dip the bread in the soup. Bread and olive oil, I love it. The fish soup, it's ready. It's been a cozy evening here in Lofoten, cooking up a warm fish soup while the storm rolls outside. I love to top it with a very good extra virgin olive oil from Italy and enjoy it calmly. Living here in the Lofoten Islands for the last 5 years has been one of the greatest gifts of my life, and a huge part of that is thanks to the locals. They are the ones who made this place feel like home for the very beginning. Learning from them, joining their activities, listening to their stories, and slowly becoming part of their culture and traditions. It truly filled my heart. Whether it's going out fishing with them, cooking typical Norwegian recipes side by side, or spending summer days foraging berries together, these moments taught me so much. And I honestly believe it's one of the best ways to respect the culture of the country we choose to live in. So to all the people here who welcome us, sharing their knowledge, and let us be part of the world, tusen takk. And to you watching, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy cooking this cozy Norwegian fish soup with me. If you want to see more life from the Arctic, recipes, adventures, and the real Lofoten, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next episode. See you in the next one. Bye!